Today we're learning about slope, also called rate of change. Slope tells how much y changes every time x goes right one step. To find slope, we pick 2 points and use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The top is the rise and the bottom is the run. We're finding the slope between points a1, 3 and b5, 11. We plug the values into the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x, 2 minus x1, which gives 11 minus 3 over 5 minus 1. That simplifies to 8 over 4, so the slope is 2, meaning the line goes up 2 units for every 1 unit to the right. So remember, slope is rise over run. Pause here and attempt these examples. After that, press play to see the solution built visually, one step at a time. Positive slope means the line goes up as x increases. Negative slope means the line goes down.